How to use Google Meet to schedule a meeting. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will guide you how you can use Google Meet to schedule a meeting. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to Google Meet and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once you see this kind of interface, now click on this button that says New Meeting. Here you will get three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a Google Calendar. So according to your preferred choice, you can select one from here. If you click the first option, that is create a meeting for later, now you will see the link popped up in your interface. Here you have to copy the link and share this link with attendees via emails, chat, or SMS. Then you can click the link to start the meeting later whenever you are ready, and anyone with the link can join the scheduled time. So that's all about joining the meeting on later. Again, if you click on new meeting and click on start an instant meeting, and that will immediately open up a new meeting room where your camera and mic will be turned on. After entering the meeting, now pop-up will show the meeting link. Then you can click on copy joining information or share, then send the link via email, chat, or any other platform to invite other members. And if you go with the last option, that is schedule a Google Calendar or scheduled in Google Calendar, then that's gonna take you to the Google Calendar where you can create a meeting or schedule a meeting. Then that's gonna pop up this interface where you can now schedule your meeting. You can name your meeting and you could also select the time for your meeting. So under this gate section, you can add guest, click or type in this add guest, then enter the email address of the people that you want to invite, and they will receive the meeting invite in Google Meet via email. If you want to add any other descriptions as well, you could also do that. Click on this add descriptions. You can add agenda, notes, or documents if needed. Once you're done with that, click save at the top corner. Now the meeting is scheduled. The meeting link will also appear in your Google Calendar, the invitees calendar and email, and also the Google Meet homepage under your meetings. So that's the way to use Google Meet to schedule a meeting. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.